Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you this great software which is MakeHuman. It's a free and open source 3D computer graphics middleware designed for the prototyping of photorealistic humanoids. It is developed by a community of programmers, artists and academics interested in 3D character modeling, as shown here. So let's go ahead to show you some great features and a lot of options and how to create some 3D characters and customize your own 3D characters for your projects. Firstly, I'm gonna be showing you this main menu or this main panel in order to control different factors and different features. Among these factors we have gender, age, muscle. Also, if you want to play around with some values and just create your own and customize your own character. So here is the gender. If you want to change it to get slider and the drag slider to the right, it's gonna be creating the gender, male or female. Also we have the age if you want to make it a baby like this. It's gonna be make it a baby as shown in our example. If you want also to make it old man like this, have the muscle. If you want to increase and to make it much more with more muscles and fat like this. It's gonna be also the weight. If it's skinny or something like the fat or skinny, you can drag the slider to the right and to the left. So just leave it as shown at this area. So we have the height. The height, which is you can increase, decrease the height, drag the slider. So I'm gonna be also showing some proportions if you want to make the shoulders long like this, or just reduce the proportions of the body over there, the distance in between the arm, the hand and the clavicle over there. Also we have this option over there, drag the slider in order to make it African or Caucasian or European or whatever you want. For example, Asian, you make it Asian or Chinese, for example, and you can see the differences on the face and the eyes like this. So just drag it a little bit like this. It's gonna be making it Asian. Or for example, if you want to make it Caucasian like this, or just set it to African and drag the slider, for example. So let's say I want to just try the Asian. And you can see the difference when trying difference on the eyes and the shape of the head, also like this in our example. So just I'm gonna be moving to show you the geometries. Click on the top of the geometries. It's gonna be showing this menu over there. So let's move to material. Then it will show you how to set some geometries. So let's move on to show you the materials for skin as shown in our example. So just check the skin as shown in our example in order to show this menu. In order to show this menu for materials over there of the skin as shown in our example, we have a middle-aged African female, we have middle-aged Caucasian male, and also old Asian male, and whatever you want to set it. In our example, we have also the the tone style like this. So for example, choose this option over there and you can see the difference. And that's great, it's gonna be creating this human. It's very amazing. Old Caucasian, we have other many options. For example, the young African. It's gonna be making this skin, material skin. Also we have young African male. Young Asian female. Also young Caucasian male. So let's move to show you some materials for eyes. The iris of the eye, we have the blue color. So let's just zoom in. We have the blue-green, it's gonna be changing to blue-green, the iris. Also we have the brown light, deep blue and green, the gray eyes. You can add any material you want to add it for your character, for the eyes. Also let's move on to show you the different features for this great software. It's free and open source. This software, the source code and the database released under the GNU Affero GPL. Models exported from an official version are released under an exception to this CC0 in order to be widely used in free and non-free projects. These projects may or may not be commercialized. I will put a link in the description if you want to get this great software and make different characters for your projects. And that's pretty amazing. We have other different types and different other characteristics for the software if you want to create and customize your own 3D characters for your projects. Geometries, for the type of geometries, clothes, if you want to change clothes for female or male, as shown in our example, it's elegant suit. If you want to change it like this, click on the eyes if you want to make it high poly or low poly or none. For example, none, like this, gonna be removing the eyes, the high poly, and you can also set it to select low poly, like this. Now let's move to hair. For example, I want to make the hair just like this. I want to select this hair. It's gonna be adding the hair as shown in our example. So just scroll down in order to zoom out. It's gonna be creating this great character, 3D character. For example, you can also customize and select just your category. So in our example, for example, this hair. So I'm gonna be clicking to select this hair, for example. And it's amazing, pretty amazing and crazy. If you want to select a long hair or male or short hair or whatever you want to select and customize it, it's very amazing. And this is the first part of tutorial for Make Human software. See you in next tutorial. Thanks for watching.